Today it's all about tailgating and appetizers, and we're taking a favorite, the jalapeno popper, and we're jazzing it up a little bit today with our friend pimento cheese. To make our jalapeno poppers today, you need a couple things. Obviously, trusty jalapeno. You of course need our pimento cheese and wrap it up in bacon. So I use our bigger knife. I just like to take off the top, and you'll notice I've already got my my trusty gloves on. I'm not trying to ruin the rest of my day or the rest of the football game by not doing this with gloves, because, man, jalapenos aren't that hot, but some of them are really hot. You just never know what you're going to get. Some are very mild, but some will really ruin your day. So I always use gloves. What I like to do, once we have the top off the jalapeno, I find the widest part of the jalapeno, that's what I want to cut through. So we just bisect it, just a quick, easy cut. You'll notice all the fun stuff inside. This is where your trusty paring knife comes in play. And I just like to use it, choke up on it a little bit, and just work out those seeds. You can leave some of it in if you want it a little hotter. So we got a nice little boat here that's going to hold our filling. So I just like to top it off, nice and even. This stuff will melt and go everywhere as we cook, so don't worry about that. So I just like to get it just over the edges, right about like that. Let's do our other one here. So the secret ingredient in this is definitely the Grilla AP rub. It adds that extra little bit of salty, extra little bit of savory, just a little bit of punch. Let's grab one of these and wrap it up in bacon. So what I'll do, I like to take our first boat, and I'll start at the end. And literally, if you've pressed the cream cheese in, you can just roll it up in bacon, okay? And you don't want to go start from one end to the other, just kind of even the bacon out, and this is what you'll end up with. I did this where I can end with my flap down that tag piece for the bacon on the bottom. So I don't necessarily have to pin this, but we'll go ahead and pin it just in case. There's no flip, nothing needed on these, so once you get these all placed out in your rack, you can smoke them directly on the rack. Okay, so we're going to use our Silverbac today to cook on, and we're going to set it for 275 degrees. I like the grill to be completely warm for this recipe because it's all about that bacon. So starting it really low and letting it warm up and go through its smoke cycles doesn't really help you here because you're going to start melting the cheese really quick. So I like to get it as hot as I can and then go ahead and put the food on so it'll cook the way it was intended, so the bacon gets crispy, but we don't overly melt the pimento cheese. Okay guys, it's just about halftime. We're going to check in on our jalapeno poppers, and we're going to see if they got any color and what they're looking like. To me, they're just about done. I'm giving them about 10 more minutes. We'll pull them off, let them cool down. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and it's time to get our jalapeno poppers out of the Silverbac. And look at this. Cheesy, melty awesomeness. You can't beat that. Bacon fat, melted cheese, jalapenos. That's a fan favorite right there. Okay guys, our jalapeno poppers are done. They've cooled off just enough to eat. They're still cheesy and gooey. The bacon's not super crispy, but it's not underdone either. So you should be able to get a perfect bite through on that. But it's everything you could want. It's gooey, it's a little spicy, it's salty, it's bacony. I mean, who doesn't love bacon, fat, and cheese together? It's fantastic. But enough talking. Let's see how this thing tastes. Fantastic. These are perfect for game day. If you want to make this recipe, download it, check out this video, and then take a picture of you making this recipe, hashtag it with Grilla Gameday on all the social media, and we're going to find a winner and give you a t-shirt of your choice. Check out the description below for more details on the contest. Didn't take a lot in prep time, didn't cost a lot. It's a great recipe to help you be a star in your backyard. I'm Shane Draper, this has been Grilla Grills. Thanks for watching. Take this recipe and check us out next time.